What's up, guys? So this might go on YouTube, so it's gonna be a little different than how I would post on an Instagram post, obviously. So the wheels just got here. So also excuse my bumminess because it's like 9 o'clock going on 10 right now. Kind of excited because I wasn't expecting them to come as soon as you did from work, but they're here now. So we're gonna pop them up real quick, you know? All right, so I believe these are my fronts, and the one at the bottom are my rears. I'm saying that because of the one at the bottom looks the biggest out of all of them. So pop them over real quick. All right. Those who don't know, I went with Forgestar's F14s, gloss white. I believe it's their color name. I was gonna say snow white, but I want to say it was gloss white. Oh, okay, cool. Right up. I guess that does make sense. No, not for this one though. Alright, so that's them separated. Got the cords off real quick. Okay, I might not need it. It's a lot of packaging protocol for this, I guess. Let's get all this out of the way. It's a lot of tape. This one. I am kind of upset the boxes look disgusting, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't remember about the whole issue of having to send them back and stuff and wait another blank day. So let's see how the wheels look first, and then we go on to decide that. Because I know they packed them up pretty tightly. But definitely cannot reuse these boxes. So I don't think we can move them anywhere in said boxes. Okay, so like I said before, these are my fronts. My fronts are 19 by 10 with with a negative 19 offsets. Oh yeah, that's right, boys. So we negative now. Woo! Got some meat now. Okay, so they come pretty well packaged. Kind of remind me of when I got my ESRs. They come with a little plastic bag over them. Gonna take that off. Some styrofoam blanket. Just like the ESRs, they came with another little cloth blanket, of course with the logo on it, with this plastic trim around it. Go ahead and take that off real quick. Actually, hold up. I wonder where the center caps are already in there. They are not. They better be in one of these boxes. All right. And there y'all have it. Negative 19. Offset 19 by 10. Dang, that looks awesome. That looks massive compared to my previous wheel setup. All right. So now we're gonna pop the next one open real quick and see what that 19 by 12 plus 6 looks like. Alright. Lightweight performance wheels. My ass. You guys are heavy. Alright. I really hope the center caps aren't these. I don't have to order them separately because I'm kind of butthurt about that. Or hoping they're in one of these boxes. Alright, kind of the same deal. Plastic baggie. Take that off. Styrofoam blankie. No center cappies. No, not at all. Oh God, I'm getting kind of scared now. Put that to the side. Now we have our, woo! Too wide. Definitely might still need to run some sort of a spacer. How big? I don't know yet, but we'll have to find out. Well, I'll take them down to my shop. We're gonna take this little trim off. Bam, take the little blankie off. Bam, ooh, look at that concavity, boys. She's deep dish. Not she ain't a deep dish, but you get the idea. And there y'all have it. Definitely, this 19x12 is some, that's ridiculous. I can't wait to see there's some tires on it. Boy. And it still is not the final wheel setup at all. It's like second phase, V2. These are also temporary, so eventually these will be up for sale. I give it like a year's time. It's just so I can get out those massive spacers, those massive 4 3-inch spacers I'm running on a car. Obviously that's not good for it. So these kind of get me by. Like I said, I probably still have to run spacers, but much smaller spacers. They are, not saying, okay, like everyone knows ESRs are reps. These are obviously legitimate wheels, so that's also another reason why. And I honestly kind of always wanted Forgestars, and I saw the opportunity and said, why not? I didn't want to wait so long to save up for that thousands and thousands of dollars you need for 3-piece wheels. So these are the next alternative for right now. But hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch y'all next time. Almost got so scared, bro. I was going through the very last box and I was not finding any center caps or any type of accessories, but they came through. So I don't see no point in trying to get any different ones, but these are the Forgestar center caps. I think those go pretty nicely with the pretty much style of the car. You got the little hub rings, and they gave you like a little license plate, thingamajiggy license plate cover, I guess. You know, a little neck chain. So, yeah, we're not running that, but center caps are here, so we good, we in there. No, I'm not gonna put them in until I get the wheels mounted. I don't want to ruin it yet, but yeah, we got them.